You got me sipping on something I can't compare to nothing I've ever known. I'm hoping that after this fever I'll survive. I know I'm acting a bit crazy, strung out a little bit hazy. Hand over heart, I'm praying that I'm gonna make it out alive. The bed's getting cold and you're not here. The future that we hold is so unclear, but I'm not alive until you call, and I'll bet the odds against it all. Save your advice, cause I won't hear. You might be right, but I don't care. There's a million reasons why I should give you up, but the heart wants what it wants. The heart wants what it wants. You got me scattered in pieces, shining like stars and screaming, lighting me up like Venus. But then you disappear and make me wait, and every second's like torture. Heroin drip, no more, so finding a way to let go. Baby, baby, no, I can't escape. The bed's getting cold and you're not here. The future that we hold is so unclear, but I'm not alive until you call, and I'll bet the odds against it all. Save your advice, cause I won't hear. You might be right, but I don't care. There's a million reasons why I should give you up, but the heart wants what it wants. 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 This is a modern fairy tale. No happy endings, no wind in our sails. But I can't imagine a life without breathless moments breaking me down, down, down. The bed's getting cold and you're not here. The future that we hold is so unclear, but I'm not alive until you call, and I'll bet the odds against it all. Save your advice, cause I won't hear. You might be right, but I don't care. There's a million reasons why I should give you up, but the heart wants what it wants. 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 The heart wants what it wants, baby. It wants what it wants, baby. It wants what it wants. It wants what it wants. The heart wants what it wants, baby. It wants what it wants.
This dance is called The Heart Wants, Jealous. It is a 2-wall, 32 count, intermediate level line dance, choreographed by Stephen Gale. This is my dance. Weight is on the left, 7, 8. Step the right foot to the right side, rock back on the left, recover right. Step the left foot to the left side, rock back on the right, recover left. Syncopated weave to the right, side, behind, side, cross. Make a full turn right over the next 2 counts. Back to 12 o'clock. Weight is on the left foot. Step the right foot to the right side. Cross rock left over right. Recover right. Make a quarter turn left, stepping forward on the left foot to face 9 o'clock. Make a half turn left, stepping back on the right foot to face 3 o'clock. Make a half turn left, stepping forward on the left foot to face 9 o'clock. Weight is on the left. The option here is a left quarter turn shuffle. Step forward on the right foot, make a half turn, pivot left. Right kickball step. Weight is on the left foot, now facing 3 o'clock. Skate right, skate left, right mambo step. Walk back left, right, or alternatively reverse skates left, right. Left coaster step. Weight is on the left foot, now facing 3 o'clock. Step forward on the right, make a 3/4 turn pivot left on the spot to face 6 o'clock. Weight is on the left foot. Right side chassis. Rock back on the left, recover right. Left side chassis. Weight is on the left foot, now facing 6 o'clock, ready to restart the dance. The count of the dance. Weights on the left, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. In this dance we have a 16 count restart on wall 3. Wall 3 starts facing 12 o'clock. Weights on the left, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is 16 counts. Here you'll have a change of step on count 1. Make a quarter turn left, stepping the right foot to the right side, rock back on the left, recover right. So restarting facing 12 o'clock. Thank you so much for watching.